Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how I outfit build. So we better go upstairs and head to our wardrobe, haven't we? So follow me. Let's go this way. I'm sure Olive will join us in a second. So I am going to show you how I build my outfits for me personally, and also when I am taking photos for my vintage shop. So let's get straight down to it, shall we? Hello, so as you can see I have changed my outfit and I haven't actually gone upstairs because I actually decided to re-record this video as I thought the first one just wasn't very good. So I wanted to make it as good as possible for you. So this is take 2 even. You know, one of those boards. But so I'm going to show you how I build my outfits. So this is how I do it for myself, and especially when I'm like taking photos for my vintage shop, because I like to build the whole outfit to create a complete look. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1 video almost, because this is the pieces of clothing that I actually found when I went to Oxford yesterday. So I've had a very busy week. I think that was maybe why I was a bit like, ooh, on Wednesday. There's a lot going on in my mind, so this is definitely a lot better than the first cut, so I think it's worth the wait. I'm sorry I didn't upload it yesterday, but there we go. I wanted to make it good. So, outfit building. I think it's a lot easier than maybe people think. I think sometimes too much sort of pressure can be put on an outfit and then it makes it a bit harder. What I like to do first of all is think about where I'm going and what I'm building the outfit for, and then that is half the battle really. So I'm going to show you a couple of looks and then talk the way through them. So I like to talk, don't I? So this is the first look. So we've got a give me a upstairs to get a hanger. So we've got like a little linen grunge shirt dress here, covered front button fastening. It's like midi length, and then it has that sort of linen texture to it, which is all like creased and crinkled. It has a cute little waist tie. If it was long enough, I like to go around the front and the back with these because it looks cute. It shows off a waist, so you're defining your figure naturally, new word for us all there. The natural smallest, oh that's hard, part of your body. And yeah, I just like to sort of do a really casual bow at the front, like that. If it's not long enough, I either do it around the back, or you could just go straight around the front. I do that sometimes as well, because sometimes these aren't long enough. But yeah, I would just keep it casual like that. And then also I would probably undo a few buttons even at the bottom, because let's face it, it's nice to show a bit of leg sometimes, isn't it? So nothing too like outlandish or out there yet, is there really? So this to me is going to make a really nice like spring days outfit that we've had here today in Birmingham. It's been warm, it's nice weather, but you know, you probably would want something over it because the sun has been going in and out of the clouds. So I would then add in this sort of 80s slouchy pardon me, sorry, green khaki sort of oversized sweater. It has a really cute little detail on it there, adds a bit of colour to it, and it's all those sort of muted tones, and the slouchy silhouette really works well with this dress. And that's nice. This is a nice casual look. Now you could wear it with Converse, which is probably what I'd go for, and like it's a nice easy to wear outfit, and you can roll up the sleeves and it's just simple, no fuss. Jewellery, I always wear like one little necklace with this like a little delicate shark's tooth, yes I know that word, I know, sausage, on it. That's my favourite necklace. Whatever you would normally wear, go for it. You don't have to wear any jewellery with it if you're not a jewellery person, that is fine. Whatever is your sort of normal style. If you wanted to add in a bit more to it, you could add in like another longer layered level necklace as well, just to make it a little bit different. But if I can visualise the clothing off, so I don't need to hang it on a hanger like this. But if you do struggle to visualise what things will look like together, this is a great technique to do. Just grab a hanger, you don't have to get changed a million times to find the perfect outfit. You can just simply hang it up on a hanger, and then you'll have a good idea of what it will look like. So that's one casual outfit. Another thing that I like to do as well is sort of, like, this is a good idea, because like tribal prints are everywhere, aren't they, at the moment? It's a big trend, it's summery, it's fun, it adds a bit of colour and print to your wardrobe. This dress I love, I think it's really cool. if I was to work in an office, think it's a really cute little office dress. Again, it has the tie detail around the waist here. It's smart because it's got a shirt dress silhouette, and it's appropriate for work because it's like knee length or just a bit below the knee, or in my case probably below the knee, but that's because I'm really tall. So I really like this. It's so on trend now, it's unreal. It just proves that fashion does go around in like 30 years roughly, if not a bit sooner, cycle. Now if you wanted to sort of smarten this up a bit, this is where you can really start to think about your accessories. You can wear obviously with a black pair of heels for work if it is a really smart formal place where you work, and then if you wanted to add a bit of fun and personal style to it, I think personally a pair of tassel earrings with that print go great. Now it looks like a big statement earring. Oh, you've probably seen these in my face days. They are one of my favourite pairs. But actually on me, because I do have dark hair, as you can quite clearly see, they're not actually that much of a statement. And it just adds a bit of interest. See, look. Subtle interest is like about the details. So with a big print, you probably want to keep the rest of your things slightly understated. I know this is a statement earring, but as you can see, it does sort of blend in nicely and works really well with the sort of theme without sounding like we're going on a fancy dress here. So that's another thing to consider. And it really is as simple as that. Outfit building isn't hard. Always think about where you're going, the dress code, the environment, and that it really is half the battle. I always think if you are one of those people that look in your wardrobe but it literally falls out on you and you like wiggling around on the floor underneath all your clothes that you probably haven't even worn, and you still say to yourself, I have nothing to wear. I always do believe in getting the basics right first. So go through your wardrobe. It's bank holiday weekend now, isn't it? I know you have that extra day off work, and try on everything that you have. Everything that you have and you put on, go, oh I really like it, but put it in a pile. You won't wear it. That but has stopped you from wearing it for a week, 10 days, a month, 10 years, etc. So try it on, get the basics right, and then that's when you can start to think about adding like more trend-led pieces in, and then really starting to like make up the big fancier outfits, and just have fun with it. It's personal style is that, it's personal, there's no right or wrong, it is that simple. So I'll show you another outfit. So we have really cute Laura Ashley tea dress here. I only brought down one hanger. And I really love it. It's like beautiful pastel colours. It has the cute little lace collar. It has the belt. It's like really pretty, I think. And this to me is feminine. This is a feminine dress. So I personally instantly want to toughen it up a bit, add a bit of edge to it, because I'm not an overly girly girl. So I always sort of like to add a bit of edge to my feminine looks. So personally for this, so first of all we need to set the occasion, don't we? I'm going to go out tomorrow, bank holiday weekend. I'm going to go to a nice pub for a few drinks. Wear my new vintage floral, yeah, that is it, Laura Ashley tea dress. And I'm going to make it look a bit cooler. So I'm going to wear a pair of my favourite trainers with this. I'm going to go for dark trainers because this is a light coloured dress, so I want the contrast. I'm already thinking, oh, you know, it's meant to be nice tomorrow, but it's probably not going to be hot enough for me not to take a jacket with me. So I think, oh, you know, a denim jacket, a classic. Everyone needs a denim jacket in their wardrobe. This is my 80s version. Excuse me, I do have a poo bag in the pocket, as every dog walker would have in every pocket of every piece of clothing they've ever owned. So I'm gonna lay it out and see what it looks like. We even put the sleeves through the jacket so I can get a real idea. So my denim jacket has got a loose fitting oversized silhouette, just the way that I like it. And I like the colours. Yeah. Probably going to roll up my sleeves because I always do on this jacket. Stuffing my pillow. And I think I can instantly see, yeah, that's going to work. But you know what? There's still something else I can add to this outfit. I'm thinking, you know what, it's a Saturday. I want to look really cool today. So I'm going to get out my favourite necklace. I always keep it in a box. I like it to be like to keep it looking pretty. And then I'm going to layer that over it as well. So that takes a very feminine dress and makes it a bit more edgy, more suited to my personal style. And then with trainers, it's a really easy, fun way. I know that I could then, if I wanted to, if I was this prepared, which I am sometimes actually, I might add, I can then think, sorted. You know what, Auntie won't be shouting at me because I'm always late. Take it upstairs, hang it from the wardrobe, and I'm ready to go. I don't need to iron in the morning because it's not going to get creased. And it's sorted. It takes all the stress out of a situation if you just don't know what to wear. Because we've all had those moments where we just think, oh, I don't know what to wear, I don't know what to wear. So that is a great way to do it. I just think, get your hanger out, get out what you're considering, and then hang it up and take it from there. And you should be good to go. This is how I do all my photos, not on the hanger, I just line them out on the sofa properly, and then that's it. And this, once you've done it a few times, you'll be a pro, you can put your hangers away in your wardrobe. So thank you so much for watching me in today's video on how to outfit build. I hope you have found this video useful. If you have, please give Olive, or this is Olive, myself, a big thumbs up, mainly Olive, because look how cute she is. And subscribe to our channel because Olive does make a lot of cameos, as we know that she is my employee of the month every single month. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I shall see you on Sunday for my latest edition of Daily Life of a Vintage Dealer. So sorry. I'll learn to talk by then as well. Bye!